Now what we're going to do is what I call the chain stitch, and that's the stitch that we use to do the whiskers on the cat and the little designs on the raccoon and so forth. So again, I started underneath with my knot. My threads are up. What I'm going to do here is go to the right, and I'm making these stitches large so that you can see them. And I pull it down. What's important to remember here is you have to take your thread back up. And now I'm going to go down to the right and come back up right where I had just stitched. Go back up. Again, the important thing is to go back up, because this is a stitch that you can do curves or circles with, and I'll demonstrate that. I'm going back up. If I go just below and then go back up, it catches your thread so that it'll form a circle. I'm back up, down below, up, to the right, back up where I'm coming out. And you need to keep it pulled kind of tight, not so that your fabric wrinkles, but this is an easy way to let your thread guide around and make a nice little curve. And then I'm going to end it. Once again, I'm going to do my knot, a teeny stitch underneath before I pull it through, loop it.